Ever opened Salesforce and suddenly realized you've got a jungle of tabs staring back at you? It slows you down, clutters your screen, and makes it hard to focus. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to close all those Salesforce tabs quickly and cleanly. No more clicking around one by one. Let's start by getting into your Salesforce account. Open your browser and head over to the Salesforce website. Once you're on the homepage, move to the top right corner where the login area is. Hover over it, and from the drop-down menu, select Salesforce. That'll take you directly to the login page. Enter your credentials and log in. If you don't have them saved, use a secure password manager so next time is even smoother. In just a moment, you'll land on your Salesforce dashboard, your personal hub filled with whatever apps, pages, and records you've been working on. Now, here's where the magic happens. If you've got a bunch of Salesforce tabs open across your browser, you don't need to hunt them down one at a time. Instead, use the simplest shortcut most people overlook. Control plus W. Hold the Control key and tap the W key, and the current tab you're on will close instantly. Want to clear them all? Just repeat that shortcut as you go through each tab. It's fast, clean, and way less tedious than manually clicking the little X on every single one. And if you're using a Mac, you can use Command plus W instead. Before you start closing everything, take a second to bookmark or save anything important so you don't lose track of what matters. Once that's done, go ahead and start using the shortcut. You'll literally watch your screen go from chaotic to organized in seconds. This one habit can seriously boost your productivity, especially if you're someone who jumps between dashboards, records, and setup pages all day. Little tips like this make Salesforce feel a lot less overwhelming. If this helped you clean things up, stick around for more quick walkthroughs that save you time and stress. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.